If you had $2 billion and one decision to make, which drug would you kill? Why do smart teams kill good drugs? Why does pharma fails even when the science works? Why would you cancel today to save a company tomorrow? Why is phase 2 where $1 billion dreams die? Why is the most dangerous decision in pharma doing nothing? One decision can cost $2 billion, and most of them are made with incomplete data. Pharma is not a social problem, it is a decision problem under extreme uncertainty. We often confuse biological discovery with business value viability. The gap between them is where billions are lost. The myth: good science always wins, but it is not. Lab success is not equals to patient success. A molecule can work perfectly in a petri dish but fail completely in the complexity of human body. Data is not equals to decision. Having terabytes of data doesn't guarantee the right choice. If often leads to analysis paralysis. Reality: good science is killed. Discovery, target ID, preclinical animal models, phase 2, phase 1 safety, phase 2 killed. Doesn't fit. Not because it failed, because it didn't fit the portfolio strategy. Why pharma kill projects? The risk is too high, market is too small, timeline is too long, cost is too large, strategy mismatched. Executive don't approve drugs, they balance the portfolios. Profitability of success can be actually make it. Value at peak: is the reward worth the risk? Cost to launch: can we afford the journey? Comparative risk: will someone else beat us? Strategic alignment: does this define who we are? Killing a project that works, the most expensive mistake, it continue the wrong one. Where most drugs dies, it's phase 2 always, where biology meets humans. This is the first real efficacy test. Surprises are guaranteed in this phase. Cost explodes. Moving to phase 3 requires massive capital. It's the go, not go gate. Portfolio reshuffles. Even working drugs get cut if a better asset needs the budget. How one drug pays for a thousand failure. It will fail one, fail two, fail three, continues till a blockbuster is born. The economic of pharma relies on power law, that's distribution. Why pricing is a survival tool without profit. From today's drug, the funding for tomorrow's curses collapses. Pricing reflects not just the cost of manufacturing but the cost of thousands of failures that preceded. Where project and portfolio management matters: scale earlier, focus capitals, increase survival odds. Can AI fix this? This is the main revolutionary question ever. AI helps. Decision still matters. AI can predict protein folding and patient population, but it cannot make the strategy trade-offs requires in a constrained portfolio. Pharma is not about molecules, it's about decisions. Why this channel gives what this channel will give you: how decisions are made, why projects win or die, how industries really work. If you want to think like an insider, subscribe. It's a decision frameworks, not a textbook slides. It's all about how things really works. So come along in this journey. I am Pratham Bawali. I decode how the world really works. So